the sacrum this way. There it is. Good. Good. Then we're going to bring the rib cage this way. There we go. Good job. That's it. Okay, off the shoulder. Right there. Excellent. Okay, hello, genius. Alright, so we're going to do. When's the first time that I checked you? How old were you? Do you remember?
I think I was little.
Very little, right?
She's a baby.
Little baby. How old are you now?
13.
13. Okay, so we're going to get this right here and here. Okay, so we're just going to align the pelvis. We're going to work on these two spots here for a little hunch. We're going to check up in this, feel that spot there? So that bone's out of alignment. So we're going to adjust those areas.
This is a little bit trickier. Let me see. Go ahead and. You good? Yeah. So kind of just like draw.
Good. Then we're going to bring the rib cage this way.
And you're gonna do one.
There we go. Good job. Much better there. Now let's have you line this side. Face me.
Oh, so that's
Yep. Gonna come right here, straight this leg. And right there, good. We go like that. What do we call this one? The pretzel? Yep. Okay, just relax. We're gonna bring this sacrum this way. There it is. Good job. Let's bring your hair up this way. Let's see lower. Feel that right there?
Alright, how do those feel? And then you can do these
That's it.
whenever you come before your adjustment. Other than that, you're all set. And then.
Okay, off the shoulder.
Thank you.
Right there. Excellent. Remember the turtle? Right there. Beautiful. Power's on.